Hi guys, this is Ahmad from Journey Signals. So this video is all about writing your first blog post using the AI completely for free. Yeah, you heard right, completely for free. By end of this video, you will have the well-crafted and a well-optimized blog post in your hand, even if you're the complete beginners and don't know how to write your articles. So I don't want to waste your time. Let's begin writing. So click the link in the descriptions and it will take you to this page. So this is a website we are going to use to write our blog for free. So once you reach the website, you can click on register and you can register your account. You can just give username or first name, last name, email address and password, and you can click registers. In my case, I already have my account, so I just going to log in. Yeah, once you log in, it will take you to this page. So forget about this page, just go to the Infiniticart. So this is a home page, so you can just click your blog tools and it will take you to this area. So what is a specialty in this tool is you can create your complete structure by step. Like first you can create your title, then you can generate a complete outline, then you can go to the step number 3, then creating intros, then content, then fact generators, then conclusions. So why we need to generate the complete article using this step-by-step process is super simple. So let's look some example. So let's tell the ChatGPT to create complete articles on some topic. For example, write an article on topic making money using Pinterest in 2023. And this ChatGPT going to give the complete result. Let's wait. So just copy the generator content and go to any word counter and paste the content. And it is clearly that it is generated only 589 words article. And to be frank, this article is not much in depth, so probably it's difficult to rank in top pages in Google, but is not so well SEO optimized. So now we can write some articles on the same topic and keyword using our tool. So just copy the keyword over here and go to Infiniticart. So let's go to Infiniticart and click blog tools and go to the title generator. So first let's begin with your title. So paste your keyword over here and you can click generate title. That's it, super simple. So you have to wait for at least 10-50 seconds for getting a much better result. So this is a title which is generated by our tool. You can choose any one of the title you want. So let's choose. So the fifth one is looking good. I can choose the fifth title and I can proceed with my blogging. So I'm just opening my website blog page and I'm just entering my pasting my same title over here. Then you can copy the same keyword and you can go to the next step number 2, that is creating outline. So click on outline generator from the left navigation bar. You can paste your keyword over here and generate outline. And that's it. So we'll get the complete structure of the articles. You can just copy and you can paste it over here. That's it. So once you cover this entire topic, your article is well optimized for the keyword. Let's go to intro generator and you can paste your title or selected title over here. So paste your title and you can click generate intro. So we got our intro. Just copy and go to any content detector tools and check for the content score. So just copy and paste it over here and let's check what is our content score. So we get 100% human generated content. So let's go to plagiarism checking. So just paste your article and we can check for the plagiarism. So our generated content is 100% unique. So now you can copy and paste your content in your blog page. So now we have the well optimized and well crafted introduction. Let's move to the next step. So our next step is to create the well crafted content. So now go to the blog tools and choose a content generator. So tool will be open and you can just paste your subheadings over here and click generate. So wait for at least 10 to 15 seconds for the result. That's it. Just copy and repeat the process. So you can just paste it over here and we got our first sections. Let's make the session heading title number 2 and this could be our H3 tag. And we have one reference over here. We can just copy and we can search for that particular website. So we have some reference, so we can copy the link over here and paste it. We can make a link from here. So in this way our article will have some credibility. So we can make this as an quote. Okay, this is how it's good like. So similarly you can follow the same procedure. So now we have created a content for every subheadings. So now let's move to the next step. So now we can go to the next part. It is a content for facts. So simply go to the Infiniticart and click fact generator. And you can copy the keyword, paste it over here and click generate facts. So just copy and you can go to your fact content, fact sections, paste it over here. That's it. So we can modify using the accommodation over here. Now just go to the final steps, that is we need the conclusion. Just copy and go to conclusion generator, paste it, click generate. So just copy and paste it. Thus it's super simple. So finally our complete article has been ready and it is completely SEO optimized and readability analysis is good and SEO analysis is good based on the used SEO. So this is how you can write a complete blog post using a tool called Infiniticart and step-by-step process. So not only that, you can check the number of words it has generated. Up to 3654 words is pretty good, and it is a long form content. So you can add similar images. I use the Canva to just add an image, and I have given some internal links to my old blog post. Then I have added some simple accordion for a fact section. Then I have added some blog grid post. So this is how you can create your complete blog articles using the tool called Infiniticart. So this is a tool which I personally developed, and it is still under the beta versions, and you can use the tool which is completely for free for now and forever. So you can give your complete feedback in comment sections. So let's publish the articles, and we will update the result in next video. Thank you and bye.